What's up, guys? I'm John and you're watching Johnny Fabs, and today I'm restoring this air compressor that I got from my grandpa, and I'm going to be cleaning it up and getting it operational again. Alright, you guys, so I just got this thing cleaned up, power washed, and I sanded it a little bit to get it a little bit flatter, and I think it's ready to start painting. So I'm going to start painting this tank, and I got a cool little design I'm going to try and do on it. Hopefully it turns out good. Alright guys, so I just got this thing finished up, painted, and it's looking pretty good. I think you guys can tell by now from the theme, but it's supposed to look like a Mountain Dew can. And then I did the Johnny Fabs logo instead of the Mountain Dew. So we're getting ready to put the switch in and the compressor and the motor back on. So I'm going to start doing that now. Alright guys, so I just wrapped up putting the air compressor back together, got the motor mounted, compressor mounted, got my check valve in and the belt on, and the pressure switch is working. So I think that's going to be it for restoring this air compressor. Hope you guys enjoyed the restoration, and please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.